Stop worrying about homework and start learning with confidence. This is Ask Learn. Complete help for every subject. Like, share, subscribe for daily learning videos.
Let's get started. So for this question, optic, optical fiber, first transformation, fast data, in one type of fiber wavelength transmission is this, and what is the frequency? So again, we're converting wavelengths into frequency, and frequency to wavelengths type question. So 1.3 times 10 to the 3 nanometer. Let's get started. 1.3 times 10 to the negative 3 nanometer. First, let's convert that millimeter. 1 nanometer is 10 to the 9, negative 9 meter, or you can write the other way around and say 1 meter is 10 to the 9 nanometer. All right, let's solve that. So that means 1.3 times 10 to the negative 12 meter. All right, next one, converting using the speed of light, lambda nu, to look for the nu, which is frequency, is basically C over lambda. C is 3 times 10 to the 8 unit meter per second divided by lambda. In this case, we get at 1.3. There's a decimal there. Let me rewrite this. 1.3 times 10 to the negative 12 meter. Now notice meter will cancel out. You're gonna get at 1 over seconds, or you can also call this as hertz. Same thing. So let's go ahead and calculate that. 3 times 10 to the 8 divided by 1.3 times 10 to the negative 12. Again, if you want to use a multiplication, make sure you put a parenthesis around them so that you don't get yourself confused in a calculator. So this will get as 2.3 times 10 to the 20 hertz. All right, so suffix wise, you can keep it two decimals. Two significance figure, one decimal places. That's fine. So it's going to be equal to 2.3 times 10 to the 20 hertz. Now let's continue and do the next part B. Part B said fiber optic cables is 12 kilometer in length. How long it takes for signal to travel that distance? So again, it's looking for time. The speed of light is the same in the cables as the same in the vacuum. So it's asked us to use the speed of light. Okay, so let me go back in a little bit, talk about speed of light. Speed of light is 3 times 10 to the 8 meter per second. Notice that's a meter per second. What given? 12 kilometer. So pretty much change kilometer and meter and then use the speed of light to get us time. All right, let's get started. So we're gonna get started. This is simple, just playing with a unit, 12 kilometer. Let's change it. 1 kilometer, 1,000 meter. Now I don't want a meter, I want to use speed of light. So 3 times 10 to the 8, right? Meter per seconds. Now instead of saying meter per seconds, I want to put the seconds right there. Okay, I'm just swapping it. Basically saying that is in 1 second, the light will travel 3 times 10 to the 8 meter. That's fast. Now, pretty much all the unit cancelled. Take a look. You're gonna get seconds. Okay, let's solve. 12, 1,000. So that will give us at 4.0 or 4 times 10 to the negative 5 seconds. So happy studying.